Hi, I'm Sarah. I won the Apprentice of the Year in hairdressing, and I just won the Special Award. The Special Award is basically a recognition of anybody's hard work that they've put in throughout their apprenticeship, and especially through the last year, through COVID and lockdowns and everything else. So I started my apprenticeship pregnant. I managed to do most of my work on my phone. I took a slight break for the baby and then I continued my work on my phone still during lockdown with 2 kids at home, and in the middle of the night, in the day, anytime I had 5 minutes, I'd do another paragraph. I basically worked whenever I could to complete as much work as possible. It feels amazing. It really does feel amazing to win, to be recognised, to be nominated, the whole thing is so overwhelming. Just, it's surreal. I never thought I'd win. Really didn't.